Lake Chad is the most repeated example of a lake that disappeared. In the next few minutes you will see what really happened to it. You will also pick up a habit that works on any claim about change. Ask which two dates are being compared and ask whether the comparison is fair. You have almost certainly heard that Lake Chad lost 90% of its water. That claim is true. It is also about 40 years out of date. The lake sits in the middle of Africa in a shallow basin shared by 4 countries: Chad, Niger, Nigeria, and Cameroon. In the 1960s, it covered about 25,000 square kilometers. That made it the 6th largest lake on Earth. Then the rains failed. By the middle of the 1980s, the lake was down to about 2,000 square kilometers. More than 90% of it was gone. An astronaut photographed what was left in 1994. Dark water pooled in one basin, ridges of sand standing across ground the lake used to cover. That collapse is where the 90% comes from, and it finished about 40 years ago. Since the 1970s, the lake has moved up and down between roughly 2,000 and 5,000 square kilometers. So let us test the claim properly. To compare two moments, you have to hold everything else still. Same patch of ground, same time of year, same satellite camera. This is the 1st of March 2003. And this is the 1st of March 2025, 22 years later from the same height over the same frame in the same dry season. The lake is still there, the same 2 basins, the same broad outline in the same place. It did not carry on disappearing. Look closely at what you are seeing. The dark green is thick marsh standing in shallow water. The paler patch to the south is open water. Both of them are lake, only one of them is obvious. Here is how a misleading comparison gets built. In 2022, the rains over this basin were the heaviest in 60 years. This is the lake that November. Open water reached 5,370 square kilometers. Add the water sitting underneath flooded plants and the total came to 18,800. 2 honest numbers more than 3 times apart. And this is the very same ground in May of that same year at the end of the dry season. Pale, bare, and quiet. Set those 2 pictures side by side, put an old year under one and a recent year under the other, and you can prove a disaster that never happened. Nothing was faked, only the dates were chosen. There's also a part that no picture from above can show you. About 70% of the change in how much water this lake holds each year happens underground. A study published in 2020 looked at the previous 2 decades and found the lake is not shrinking. It empties and refills with the seasons. Only the northern part shows a slight decline. So when someone shows you a change, ask 2 questions. Which 2 dates are being compared, and is the comparison like for like? Same place, same season, same measurement. Lake Chad did not disappear. It fell hard about 40 years ago and it has been rising and falling ever since. If that surprised you, give this a like so more people see it and send it to whoever told you the lake was gone. I would love to know in the comments which claim you want checked next. Subscribe and I will keep pulling these apart.